Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at how to check the last time Windows 10 installed a major update. This will be very useful when troubleshooting a problem on Windows. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. In this video I will be showing you two methods that you can use to accomplish this. So please make sure you watch the video to the end. Now let's begin. Method 1. Click on the Start menu and click on Settings. On the Settings page, click on System. Scroll down to the bottom of the left pane and click on About. On the About page, scroll down to the Windows Specifications section. Over here you will see Installed On, and this shows the date Windows installed a major update. The Installed On date seen here only applies to major Windows updates that come along twice a year. The installation date of smaller updates will not be listed here. Now let me show you the second method. For the second method, click on the Start menu and type CMD. Now click on Command Prompt. Type the following commands shown on the screen. After typing the commands, press Enter. Here you will see the date the last major update was installed, and even the time the update was installed. If you need to report a problem, you can just copy the version of your Windows and the time the update was installed. So that is how you check the last time Windows 10 installed a major update. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to drop a like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thank you.